Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the last theorem of this topic, the last portion of this topic, theorem of areas of similar triangles. As name indicates, it is applicable to only the triangles which are similar. अगर triangle similar है तो ही ये obviously property use होता है. So here suppose ABC is similar to PQR, this is given condition. We are required to show that ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So now to prove this part, first of all we use given condition. What is given? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is given to us. So as we know that when two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are congruent. So I get angle ABC is congruent with PQR. Reason I write CAST, corresponding angles of similar triangles. That is, I can write angle ABC as angle ABD and it is congruent with angle PQR means angle PQS. Same angle with different name. We call it equation 1. Also, as these two triangles are similar, ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. They are corresponding sides of similar triangles. We call it equation 2. Now, consider these two small triangles. We choose triangle ABD and triangle PQS. In these two triangles, we have angle ABD is congruent with PQS that we have already proved from equation. So I write from 1. ABD is congruent with PQS. Then angle ADB is congruent. ADB is congruent with PSQ, each 90. These are altitudes, so that's why angle form is 90. Therefore, you will get here triangle ABD. It is similar with triangle PQS by AA test. Two angles of one triangle are congruent with two angles of other. So they are similar by AA test. As triangles are similar, ratio of corresponding sides will be equal. So AB upon PQ will be equal to AD upon PS. Corresponding sides of similar triangles, call it equation 3. Now observe, from 2 and 3, AB by PQ is equal to AD by PS and it is also equal to BC by QR, it is also equal to AC by PR. Therefore, from these two equation, from 2 and 3, दोनों का left hand side equal है. So equating their right hand sides or equating both equations, you will get AB upon PQ. It is same as BC by QR. It is equal to AC by PR and it is equal to AD upon PS. From 2 and 3, we call it equation 4. So, we have obtained this one important result, that all of these ratios are equal. Now, to get this desired value, so I write here area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR. It is equal to, formula for area of triangle, it is half into base into height. Again, it is half into base QR into PS. Triangle ABC का base BC and height AD, PQR का base QR and height PS. Formula for area, half into base into height. 1 by 2 get cancelled. BC by QR into AD by PS, but AD by PS is congruent with all of this ratio. So I can replace AD upon PS by BC upon QR. So I get BC upon QR into BC upon QR from equation 4. So you get value as BC square upon QR. Now from same equation 4, BC square by QR square can be replaced by AB square by PQ square, and it can also be replaced by AC square by PR square. So I write here similarly from equation 4 we can prove that area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR, it is equal to AB square by PQ square, BC square by QR square is equal to AC square by PR square. So this is required result. So ratio of areas of similar triangles is equal to ratio of squares of corresponding sides. फिर से एक बार बताता हूँ, ठीक से ध्यान दो और इसे बार बार लिख कर देखना है. First of all, what is given? ABC similar to PQR. Triangles similar, तो simple है. Angles congruent, so B is congruent with Q. In these two triangles ABD and PQS, two angles of one triangle are congruent with two angles of other, so they are similar by AA test. When two triangles are similar, ratio of corresponding sides are equal. ABC similar to PQR given है, so ratio of these sides are also equal. Left hand side दोनों का equal है, so equating these two equation we get this important result. And then using area of triangle half into base into height, you can replace AD upon PS by BC by QR, so we get BC square by QR square, which is also equal to AB square by PQ square, which is also equal to AC square by PR square. So we can say that ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides.